Uh-oh.
Ever had your bike tip because it rolled? Frustrating and costly. Even in gear, bikes can still creep on hills or uneven ground. Here's the fix: a simple strip of Velcro. Just grab yourself a strip of heavy-duty Velcro. About a foot long works. Oh, look at that. Already cut the piece. All right, a nice strip of Velcro, just like that. Longer if you need it. I've got an Amazon link in the description box for this. All right, so this is what you do. Put the Velcro on your grip like so. Hold it down with your thumb. Wrap it around your front brake lever and the handlebar grip and cinch it in snug so the brake lever stays pulled in. Just like that. That locks the front wheel and keeps the bike from rolling when it's parked. All right, just to show you how effective this is. Climbing on the bike, lifting the kickstand up, hand is not on the grip, not on the brakes. Shaking it, trying to push it forward. This ain't going anywhere. This is a really great, cheap, inexpensive fix or solution to keep your bike from rolling, because you never know what might happen when you're not there. And when you're ready to ride, all you got to do is peel it off. Just make sure you're on the bike so it can't roll away on you. And I just stash it right here on my side view mirror, like so I don't lose it. It's not going anywhere. It's ready to go for the next time I'm parking. And that's it. A simple strip of Velcro can save your bike from rolling when you least expect it. It's cheap, takes up no space, and gives you peace of mind every time you park. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Give it a try. You'll wonder how you ever parked without it. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, because we'd love to keep growing alongside you. See you again soon.